Hello, today I'm gonna show how to build this Lego candy machine. The first piece is so, and so, and so, and so, and build this piece, and take this piece, and take this piece, and place on here, and take this piece, and place so, and so. Take these pieces and smooth tiles 1x4 and 1x4 here, 1x4, so 1x2 and 2x1 smooth tile. So take this and place on here. So